How far can a person run in 3 hours if he or she runs at an average velocity of 16 kilometers per hour? Well, the first thing I need to do is identify some givens. So let's see. Oh, here's one. 3 hours. Because it's the unit hours, I know that that characteristic is time equals 3 hours. Okay, so that's one bit of given information. What about, oh, here we go, average velocity of 16 kilometers per hour. So I can go velocity average equals 16 kilometers per hour. That's really useful. That can be a ratio and dimensional analysis. But, okay, there's no other given information for me, so let's see. Where can I find, oh, I've underlined this. How far? Huh. What is that a characteristic of? Distance. So distance equals question mark. And now, normally I'd respond in meters, but have you guys heard of the KISS theory? It stands for keep it simple. Do I specify what unit you have to respond in? So let's keep it simple. Kilometers. All right, so that's my unknown. Equation. I could look on my blue card on the top left-hand corner, and I would see that velocity average equals distance or displacement divided by time. That's the equation I'm going to use. Next step is to substitute. So all the variables I'm going to replace with numbers. Do I know what my velocity average is? Yeah. 16, and you'll notice that I don't actually put the units in there. While we're doing the mathematics, you are welcome to just simply put the numbers. 16 equals, do I know what displacement is? I don't, so I'm just going to use the variable to represent that number, divided by, but do I know what the time is? Yeah, it's 3. Okay, so I've substituted, and now I can solve. And I want D all by itself on either the right or the left-hand side. So I'm going to multiply the right-hand side by 3. 3 over 3 is 1. That, in effect, cancels out the 3. But whatever I do to the right, I have to do to the left. And so, get out my calculator. And I get 48 equals D. Now guys, can I flip that just as easily? It means exactly the same thing. And it's just a format thing, but I like having the variable on the left and the number on the right. D equals 48 rhinoceroses. Kilometers. Am I done yet? Nope, because look at, how many sig figs are here? 1 sig fig. How many sig figs are here? 2 sig figs. How many is my answer going to have? 1 sig fig. All right. And so I do know that this number is going to be significant, but this number is not. But before it goes, it has an opportunity to round the one before it. So now, a lot of students would make this mistake and say that the answer is 5, but 48 and 5 are nowhere near each other. But can I add a 0 to put the 5 in the proper place? Okay, and currently I have one significant figure. Faye's about to goof up. That is bad because now how many significant figures? 2. I'm going to erase that. And then I have to include a unit, so it's no longer naked.